Hey guys, how's it going today? So what am I working on now? Well, I'm working on that Dodge Ram truck that I bought. This is the one that I bought that the customer was sick and tired of bringing it to different places. He had it for 7 years, wouldn't rev over 2,500 RPM. And it turned out it was the cam gear that was damaged from it being a used motor, and I guess whatever accident it was in, it damaged the cam gear. Anyway, there's a video on it. It's out there. Let me see if I can try to link it somehow. But anyway, what I'm going to show you now is I'm working on it because I'm getting ready to put this truck actually on the road. And there's a few things it needs. I'm going to be doing ball joints and stuff on it because it needs that. But for this video, this is going to be a quick and simple. This is something you can do in your driveway. Very simple. The hood props. It's got those hydraulic pistons that hold the hood up. Now, a lot of vehicles like SUVs will have these on the tailgates. They'll have it on the lift glass in the back, stuff like that. Well, a lot of people struggle with how to replace these things, and they're super simple. Now, the first thing you need to do when you're doing something like this is you need to support the hood, the glass, the tailgate, whatever it is you're doing. And like I said, about 95 to 98% work this way. And let me show you how they're held in place. Here's the new one. And if you look close on the end here, see the little divot that's, let's drop this somewhere we could see it. See that little divot that goes around that metal piece there? What you're going to do is you're going to stick a screwdriver in there and you're going to pry on it. See this? Just like that. That's all you're going to do. Hang on one second. Sorry, I was getting a phone call. You're going to pry on it like that. And what that does is it lifts that spring out. That spring is what locks everything in place. And see how I pulled those teeth away until it popped? So that's how you release it. Now, first thing you're going to do is you're going to support the hood or whatever. I already replaced a prop on that side, but you're going to have to support it somehow just so the darn thing doesn't collapse on you. Use a piece of wood, a broomstick handle, whatever, but that's holding it in place. So real simple. You come over, stick your little tiny screwdriver in there, and you're going to pull that piece out. And once you get it out far enough, you actually don't have to physically take it off. There. See that? Comes right out. Same thing up top here. Just get it in a little divot. And there it goes. It pops right out. So now the new one, remember the orientation too. So now the piston, the ram portion was facing downward. So now the new one, very simple. You don't even need a tool. Just put it in place like this. See that? And pop, it's in place. Now on the bottom here, you can see it's not lining up exactly right because I don't have the hood in the exact right position. So you may have to pick up on the hood slightly. So let me see if I can't get the hood up just a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. And then pop. That's it, you're done. Plain and simple. I mean, how easy is that? You know, you don't have to bring it to a shop and have somebody else do it. You just got to be mindful. You have to prop the hood because you don't want it to fall on you. You got to prop the tailgate. Don't want it to fall on you. And make sure it's something sturdy enough that will support the weight, because you'd be surprised how heavy some tailgates are and how heavy some hoods are. So that's pretty much it for this. I'm going to make another video on me doing the ball joints and control arms, and I'm going to be doing tie rods, and I can't remember what else. Oh, I'm going to be doing steering rack bushings too, because they're all shot on this thing. This thing does have 230,000 miles on it. But yeah, so anyway, just figured I'd show you that. Hope you get something out of that. If you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.